नाम रक्षित नरवाल है। मैं आज अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करने आया हूँ यहाँ पे। ऑन 3rd of December 2021 वाइल प्लेइंग फुटबॉल मैंने अपने नी को इंटरनली मीडियली ट्विस्ट कर दिया था और इंजरी के जस्ट बाद ही मुझे एक नॉक साउंड आई और इट फेल्ट लाइक कि जो मेरी नी है वो बिल्कुल अनस्टेबल हो गई। सिंस आई एम ऑल्सो अ मेडिकल स्टूडेंट, सो आई गॉट द एक्सरे डन द सेम डे, so and there was a lot of swelling was then, so I took all the medications and I visited the doctor and he told me to wait for a week until the swelling subsides so they could get my MRI done and they could actually know what the problem was. But during the initial investigation they find out during the Lachman test they find out that it could be complete ACL tear. So I was very tensed or after 1 week I got the MRI done and the reports came and everything was clear that I have severed a high grade ACL tear. So I was very tensed, like this is the worst injury, this is the worst sports injury that can happen to an athlete or a person. So I was looking for options and the doctor suggested me to go for a complete ACL reconstruction which will help me to come back to my sports and to perform my regular activities. So after I was doing my own research and all that and I got to know about Dr. Manu Bora. He had a website called Orthosport and I logged on to that website and he explained everything about the symptoms, about the treatment, what are the possible treatment, how it could be treated, and I was very impressed with the depth he has, सब कुछ जिस तरह से उन्होंने समझाया था. सो आई वॉज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हिम एंड आई वॉज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हिज रिजल्ट्स जो फेलो उनके पेशेंट्स जो उन्होंने पोस्ट किया था. सो आई वेंट टू हिम अ मंथ आफ्टर बिकॉज एक्चुअली मेरे एग्जाम्स थे उस टाइम पे, सो आई कुडंट गो टू हिम अर्लियर देन दैट. आफ्टर अ मंथ आई विजिटेड हिम एंड showed him his MRI and he told me to go for an ACL reconstruction surgery and he completely told me that it's a very good surgery and it's the best medical service you can get in India or in any part of the world, and this is the surgery which the major professional soccer athletes are having. So I totally agreed with him and asked him to perform a surgery. So in 3 days he operated on me on 12th of January. So I got admitted early in the morning and they kept me on observation for 6 hours and after that my surgery happened. It was a good experience, I would say. It was my first surgery, so I was very tensed, but it was good. It was a very short surgery and they had given me spinal anesthesia, so I was active during the whole surgery and he was communicating with me while performing the surgery and instructing me about the reconstructed ligament and all. So it went great. And after the surgery I don't think there was much pain at all, and next day he visited me, saw my leg, examined all the stuff and I was good to go. So the next day I was relieved and after that the main part was rehabilitation. It was a very hard experience. I would have to say, although the physiotherapists were very good, my physiotherapy experience was very good. I would thank Dr. Hiddesh sir and Sanjeev sir for being an active component in my rehabilitation process. उन्होंने मुझे हर हफ्ते वीडियोस पोस्ट करी and I visited them every week. So my recovery timeline was at 15 days my stitches got removed and I started my physiotherapy exercises from day one. I didn't waste any time so that I could be on my feet back as soon as possible. 75 days after my surgery and I have not suffered any pain or any instability in my leg, although the rehabilitation is still going on. But still right now I think my knee is in a very good position and I'm doing my regular gym workouts and just pumping more energy in my knee. People who have suffered the same injury, I will instruct them to go for the ACL rehabilitation because avoiding it for a long time can be very serious. It is not much of a very, it's a very, I cannot say simple, but it is a very minimally invasive surgery. तो इसमें आपको कोई ज़्यादा ब्लड लॉस नहीं होगा और ज़्यादा कोई बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है और इसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. Like 3 months के अंदर मैं I'm gonna be back to running. I'm gonna be back to a lot of activities. और 6 months के अंदर I think I will be able to play go to my activities. So यही कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको ACL इंजरी हुई है, go and meet Dr. Manu. He is a very good doctor, and show him our MRI, and then he will tell you the possible results.